Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of Tropicana, we would like to warmly welcome our guests to Tropicana Progress Climate Action Workshop.
We hope that this workshop will bring awareness about ESG, global climate impact. Second, things that you will bring back home, back to your company, and start to be integrated in your design decisions and practices for a greener Malaysia.
My aim here today is to get you guys got your ESG and sustainability journey going on. It's an awareness of what it is about and how you can start.
So if you look at Alliance Bank, how we kind of move and help businesses when it comes to sustainability is actually in 3 frameworks. We call them the 3 A's: advocacy, advice and answers.
How we've been educated today is that Alliance Bank, they are really nice in the sense when they are incentivizing us 1% lower interest rate if we are a leader in ESG related matters.
So a lot of things I just learned, about ESG. There's even a definition between what ESG is and what sustainability is. We do hope with this kind of workshops and trainings, a lot of businesses can benefit from it for a better, greener future.